Everyone, welcome back. Western here. All right, so today we'll be doing some pure arm workout using the weights. Hope you all learned something. Let's get it. So before we start streaming, we already did like 5 sets pull-ups. Yeah, working. Yeah, me have live. Live. Live one stream one thing. I don't know. They can't give me some time. Hour maybe, me don't know. Oh yeah. Yeah. Anyone check in already? We're gonna do at least seven sets with this one. We'll move on to the other one. Three more sets to go. Make sure we do it over 10 reps each. Have to be over 10. Up. Ah. So we'll just join and we do like doing 7 sets with each of these weights. Curls. I have to make sure you're doing over 10 reps each. Each set's over 10 reps. Oh yeah. Yeah. So that's 5. That's 5 sets already. We're gonna move it up. We're gonna do 7 sets. Let's do 2 more on this. We'll move up to the other weight. Everyone joining us, please smash that. Smash everything that's successful in life. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's go. So right before we start, we make sure to do like 5 sets of pull-ups. We use our own body weight, like do two sets of pull-up, and then we had about 50 pounds on our body, and do like 3 more sets with that. So now we're gonna do 7 sets with this. 7 sets with this, 7 sets with the other one. And we are really at 5. Remember, over 10 reps. If you like pain, that's a good thing. Fuck. Everyone, you're locking in, smash that thumbs up and let's keep working. It's all about focus. Focus. Keep the tension. Over 10 reps. Hey, man. Everyone join in, please smash that thumbs up button. Let's go. All right. Yeah. Crazy. Hey, man. All right. Everyone that's joining, we already did 7 sets with this weight. This weight is over. It's about 70 pounds, over 70. The other weight is over 90. So we did first half we did 5 sets of pull-ups. 7 sets with this, another 7 sets with that. You know what? Let's do 8 sets. Do 1 more set with this. And then we're gonna move on to some shoulder workout. All homemade. Yo. What did I do here? Make me go back to this, you know. All right. Okay. Ah. Ah. Remember, 10 is the lucky number. I always try to hit over 10. Let's move up. Yo. Yeah, hey Antonello, what's good, man? Oh. 10. 10 is the lucky number. You don't want to take too much break either. You don't want to cheat. You don't want to cheat yourself. Respect. All right, let's keep going. So for who just joining, we did 5 sets of pull-ups first, 2 sets with body weight, and 3 sets with over 50 pounds on my body. We did half strip just for warm up. We did 7 sets with the previous barbell. And we're doing 8 sets with this, 8 sets with that, 8 sets with this. Let's keep going. You can feel it right now, man. It's not easy. That's how it's supposed to be. But we already hit 8 sets with the previous one. 8 sets with this as well. Let's get it. You must never forget to hydrate. Antonello, respect. Telling you, man, whenever you're doing biceps and ever doing curls, make sure you're always doing over 10. That's how it's gonna be effective. Push yourself, man. Always push yourself. You know, the more work you put in, the better the result. You have to put in the work if you need that result. Ah, yo, oh. All right, everybody. Type in magic. You guys have a magic number in the chat. My magic number is 10. 10 is my magic number, so I try to make sure I hit over 10 at all times. I love working out, man. I don't know what I can do if I can't work, can't work out, As long as I got my two hands, I don't even have to have a weight. I just need to be able to do push-ups, and I'm good. Anyone just joining, smash that thumbs up button, man. Let's get this money. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Anyone just joining or wonder what I do for bicep? So go brother, keep working good. Hurricane 501. Oh, what's good? What's good? Antonello. good. Let's get it. All right. All right, so what I do for biceps at home, I do pull-ups on the bar like this. Let me show you. Hold the bar like this and do pull-ups. I try to do like for my first set over 20 pull-ups with body weight. Then I do another one, go with the max. That's a good work, man. But on my back will take too much work. Roger that, roger that, roger that. Roger that. Lone Dinkins. I hear you, I hear you. Let's do one more. One more set. Oh, God. Let's get it. All right, so for everyone that joined us late, first off we did 5 sets pull-ups, 5 sets of pull-up for biceps, 2 sets on body weight, 3 sets with over 50 pounds. And we did 8 sets with that barbell, small one, and 8 sets with this, I guess. So now we're gonna do something for shoulder. Show you guys what I do for shoulder here at home, homemade. Let's try to get at least a scat them. Kemster. Wait, is that? Don't tell me say I Kempi that. Don't tell me say I came like that. I came like that? Always hydrate. Yo, Kempi, you big up yourself, man. Respect, man. They are putting in the work, you see it? There, man, we there, fam. All right, so now we're gonna move on to shoulder workout. All right. Yeah, bless up, fam, for real, man. So, as you guys can see, it's all homemade. You see it? All homemade weights. Show you what I do for shoulder. Alright, so first off, we're gonna use this for warm up. Warm up first. So that is our warm up first. Let me get that strap for my back. Got the homemade strap here, you know. It's not the best, but I'm gonna have to do the trick. All right, so for that one, we're gonna do one set with that one. I'll show you guys what you do when you build your own weights. Watch this. These are all weights that I'm gonna add later on. Yeah. Check this out. But definitely have to get a pair of gloves. Country ball. Yo, respect, man, respect. Let's do one more set with this. Then we're gonna move up. Add some more weight to it. Oh. God. Now let's add some weight. So we're gonna add. Let's add this. Put this right here. I don't know correct weight for this, but it's just yo country ball. Yeah man, I'm just chilling, you know. Trust me. What you see what is what you get, you know. It's all good. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's go. From Argentina. Respect, respect. Enough love, man, enough love. What country? Jamaica. Small island of Jamaica in the Caribbean. From Italy. Italy. Gio, respect, man, respect. Enough love, man. Bro, this bicep is feeling weird today. I have to be careful here. Respect from Spain. Yeah, there you go, man. Respect, respect. Germany. It's night. Okay. Yeah, respect, respect. Anyone here watching, haven't hit that thumbs up yet? Hit that thumbs up button, man. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's go. Yo, let's get it. So I'm gonna do one more set with this, and we're gonna add more heavier block to it. Pascal Gora. Respect, respect. From Syria, respect, respect. Enough love, man. Mohammed. Alonex. Where are you from? I'm from Jamaica, in the Caribbean. Pay from all the glory, respect. Send you love. Yeah, yeah, I appreciate it, man. Truly humble. Appreciate you all. All right, let's have different weight. All homemade. Yeah, for real, for real. Dedication, man. Yeah, we put it in the work, man. We put it in the work. I got a butt, this bicep been acting up lately, so I'm gonna have to be careful here. Never back down, never give up. For real, for real. That's the motto right there. Muslim, no. Give me that strength. Give me the power. Come on. Give me the strength and power. Up. Yo, the Fox Ranger, that's good. All right, well, for those who are just joining us, hola, Edmond, what's good? Who just joined us? We did bicep workout earlier. We did 5 sets of pull-up, two sets with body weights, and 3 sets with additional over 50 pounds. Then we did like 8 curls, 2 separate barbells. Now we are working on our shoulder here. Ah, God. What's going on? Got any American here? When am I doing leg day? leg day is Sunday. Doing leg day is Sunday. Sometimes we do it on a Monday. I don't know. I don't know if you guys are people interested in for me to stream leg day, man. I don't know. Most people just interested in getting bigger arms, you know, bigger arms. Yo, it's good to hear that, man. I'm your inspiration. It's good to hear that, man. Putting in the work, you know. Appreciate you for the sub. Putting in the work, man. So when we hear that I you know, I inspire you guys, man. That's a huge achievement for me, man. That's all I need to hear. All right. Body's very good, Mohammed. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Yo, Gabriel. Zuko. The one that's joined, smash that thumbs up button, all right? Smash that thumbs up button about the channel. Edmond. Let's get this. Yo, yeah. Oh, yeah. Up, down, up, up. Yeah. Alex the Kid, appreciate you, man. Thank you. That means a lot, man. Yo. Alright, let's do one more set with this. Let's go this way. Give me the strength. Let's get this. Bicep, please don't fail me. Please don't fail us. Up, down. Up. That feels good. It's a good feeling. This one right now is almost 200. This one is almost 200. That one, well, it's all added homemade blocks. So I just add block to it. You know, man, I don't work out at the gym, so I have to make my own weight, you know. Almost 200, almost. G-Star Wolf, Ghana. No, Jamaica. Jamaica is where I'm at. Sam Kerr, Jamaica. living in Jamaica, in the Caribbean. What's my dream? My dream is to just, can maintain myself better financially with some good gains, man. That's my dream. And you see this house in the background right here? To complete it one day. G-Star Wolf? Yeah, my friend. So you see this? This is an additional 20 pound. This iron right here is an additional 20 pound. I achieve it one day. Believe in myself. Appreciate that, brother. For real, man. So we're gonna strap this iron to it right here. Oh, in South Africa. Welcome, man. Nice. You know what can help me? All right, first off, man. All right, you have to need it. I know. And for you need it, you're gonna do whatever it takes. I would recommend doing some push-ups. Cut down on certain unhealthy food. Yeah, you have to put in the sacrifice with the food. And I don't know, man. Try push up if you got a can get a gym membership. Get a gym membership, man. Do some sit-ups and push-ups. Good for burning fat. Push-ups, sit-ups. Triangle push-ups, good as well. And sit-ups, pull-ups, push-ups. You don't have to even lift weights to burn weight or belly fat. I'm telling you that. And if you can start doing some skipping as well, that's good. Some jumping jacks before you start working out, that's good as well. Don't forget to drink water, my guy. Yeah, that's facts. The water is right here. I think I have to get some more. Water is finished. Get some more right now. All right, so the person that is that rainwater. Pull-ups. Yeah. Oh, you really appreciate it. You're welcome. And all right. So okay. All right. So that back to person that said the best thing for burning fat. Wanna burn belly fat. All right. First off, man, it's not gonna be easy because every day, you know, you're gonna feel different. You know, and you're gonna have to. You're gonna need that discipline or you know that motivation every day. So you have to need it. You have to hungry for it. You know. And I would start off like just do push-ups, sit-ups. Yeah, man. And every day I would just try to push myself. Like if I'm doing like 20 push-ups today, I would try to do 30 tomorrow. And I would try to extend that every day, you know. Keep pushing yourself, man. And that's when you're gonna see progress, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. You have to need it. You have to hungry for it, man. Because discipline is not an easy thing. Take a while to build discipline, you know. Real discipline. Whether it's raining or not, because as you guys can see, I work out on the outside. So even if it's raining, I know that hey, I have to work out, man. You know, I can't let it skip. I have to work. So yeah, so you have to need this. You have to hungry for it, man. Okay, let's go. All right, let's chop on this iron to this. Chop on the iron to this. This is an additional over 20 pounds. Push up in your house? Yeah. Yeah, I got limited space in my room, but yeah, I do push-ups in there sometimes, you know. But sometimes I want to get like the block to step up my height and do push-up. But yeah, sometimes I do it indoor. Nothing wrong with indoor, man. I'm from Jamaica. Alright, so the phone battery is pretty low right now and the power is out, so I have to end the stream in a bit, but let's try to get at least 3 reps with this. Respect from Russia. Yo, that's love right there, man. Welcome, man. Good to have you here. I'm trying, man. Trying, you know. I've been I mean, it's been challenges here and there, but we've been doing this from 2017 till today, you know. It's been challenges here and there, but we're grateful, man. Let's get back to work. I'm just keeping my back arm intact, man. This is heavy weight right here, you know. Yeah. You can be an excellent example for children. It's important. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, if we're talking about discipline, yeah, discipline is definitely important, you know, for real. Sorry for your English or English? It's all good, man. Oh, yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. No, I'm working out. I don't rest. I don't rest too much, you know. I don't take breaks. My dog. All right, so my phone battery is low, and the power has been out all day. You know, they're still recovering from Hurricane Beryl, so they I think they're working on the internet, so they cut the power all day. So battery's low. Appreciate you all coming around here and supporting. Appreciate all new subscribers, new friends. Appreciate you all. Love you all. All right, thank you for the support, and keep grinding, man. Love you all. Love you all. I know I say it a lot of times, but yeah, country ball. You all. Appreciate you all. All right, peace out. Remember, stay disciplined. Yeah, I stream daily. All right. Love you all, man. Peace.